Opposition MPs tore bills and threw them at Home Minister Amit Shah. Speaker Om Birla kept reprimanding the opposition members.
ये संसद के अंदर आपका तरीका ठीक नहीं है.
Amit Shah tried to keep speaking amidst all of this. A lot went down in the Lok Sabha when he attempted to introduce bills which the opposition called draconian and unconstitutional. Here's what happened. The Home Minister was putting 3 bills on the table. The Constitution 130th Amendment Bill, the Government of Union Territories Amendment Bill, and the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Amendment Bill. The 3 bills proposed the removal of ministers in the centre, states, and union territories if they are arrested for 30 days on charges of serious offences. Its scope extended to the Prime Minister and Chief Ministers as well. The opposition was miffed about this even before the bills were tabled, as evidenced by their tweets earlier that day. Opposition MPs called the bills draconian and unconstitutional and said the Bharatiya Janata Party was trying to turn the country into a police state, a dictatorship. Their 2 main issues were that the bills would infringe on the federal structure by giving the centre the power to remove CMs, and that it violated the rule of law that a person is innocent until proven guilty.
This government is hell-bent on creating a police state. This will be a death knell and leash on elected government, sir. Indian Constitution is being amended to turn this country into a police state. All these can be used to destabilize an elected government, sir. That is why I oppose the introduction of all these 3 bills.
They accused the BJP of using these bills as a means to subvert rival governments by forcing party members to switch camps or mounting pressure through central agencies.
There is a lot of action going on. You must have heard, and I'm sure all of you have heard, of the new bill that the BJP is proposing. We are going back to medieval times when the king could just remove anybody at will. There's no concept of what an elected person is. He doesn't like your face, so he tells ED, put a case, and then democratically elected person is wiped out within 30 days. This is new.
अध्यक्ष महोदय, भारत का संविधान का जो मूलभूत ढांचा है वो ये कहता है कि कानून का राज होना चाहिए. There should be rule of law. और उस rule of law, कानून के राज की बुनियाद है कि आप बेगुनाह हैं जब तक आपका गुनाह साबित नहीं किया जाता. You are innocent until proven guilty. This bill stands that fundamental maxim of jurisprudence on its head. It makes an investigating officer the boss of the Prime Minister of India.
Members of the ruling government called out the protests by the opposition members.
मैं कठोर शब्दों में निंदा करता हूं. गुंडागर्दी की हद कर दी. उन्होंने कागज फेंका, अब शब्दों का प्रयोग किया.
लोकतंत्र में विपक्ष की एक अहम भूमिका होती है और उस भूमिका का पॉजिटिव होना, सकारात्मक होना जरूरी है. आपके मतभेद हो सकते हैं जो कि पूरी तरीके से स्वीकार्य हैं. आप मतभेद को सदन के पटल पे रखिए ना, आप अपनी चिंताओं को सदन के पटल पे रखिए, पर इस तरीके से हंगामा करना और एक ऐसे आचरण का प्रदर्शन करना जो कतई स्वीकार्य नहीं हो सकता.
जिस तरह से हमने आज जो दृश्य देखा पार्लियामेंट में, कोई भी सभ्य समाज जो है उसको देखकर मैं कहूंगी कि शर्मसार हो जाएगा. जो विपक्ष के नेता लोग हैं वहाँ पे आके जो हमारे माननीय गृह मंत्री जी हैं जब वो बिल प्रपोज कर रहे थे उनका माइक निकालने की कोशिश करी और तो और वो बिल फाड़कर उनके मुंह पे मारा. उसमें जो है कुछ लोग पत्थर लेके आए थे, पत्थर जो है उनके मुंह पे मारे. इस तरह से उन लोग इतना ज्यादा वायलेंस जिस तरह से दिखा रहे हैं, मुझे तो लगता है कि हमारी पार्टी के लोगों ने बहुत संयम दिखाया.
The Home Minister said he was handing over the bills to a joint parliamentary committee for discussion.
प्रेमचंद्रन जी कह रहे हैं कि जल्दबाजी में लाए गए. इसका सवाल इसलिए नहीं उठता कि मैं इस बिल को संयुक्त समिति को सौंपने की दरखास्त करने वाला हूं. इस पर संयुक्त समिति जो राज्यसभा और लोकसभा पक्ष और विपक्ष सभी सांसदों की बनेगी, जो इस पर विचार करेगी और आपके सामने लेकर आएगी.
Don't forget to subscribe and follow us.